Morning, South Africa. Hope you're well. Welcome to part 7347 of Funny Prices in South Africa. And today's episode, as you can see, we have a beautiful, fresh Swiss roll for 923 Rand. You heard that right, 923 Rand for a Swiss roll. Now, look, growing up, Swiss roll was not the most Black Forest of cakes, but clearly times have changed, and in Cyril's economy, Swiss rolls are bougie now. Because there must be gold flakes and some caviar sprinkles, or people. A Swiss roll was a piece of flat sheet cake rolled up with 90% of the time jam inside. But in this case, you can see this cream is thick, man. It's 22 Rand worth of cream inside. And now I'm going to get the comments, it's just wrongly priced, are you stupid? I'm not the one who priced it wrong. Why am I the stupid one? And then you're going to get the other side of people say, you just make AI stuff. And I'm like, if I make all these AI stuff, when last were you in a shop? Because we see this weekly in shops now. A couple of years ago, you would see this maybe once a year. It's funny. Someone made a mistake. Ooh, it's funny. Now, weekly, there's mistakes all over. And I'm telling you, some people, they're going to take something and just go swipe. And then they're going to get home and say, we don't have money for petrol tomorrow. 1,000 Rand for a cake, people. Woolies, you're off the hook here. Woolies, for the first time you have redeemed yourself. Pick n Pay is you. And in first place with the most expensive cakes so far for South Africa in 2026. And I'm not talking about crazy baked cakes. I'm talking about just normal lacquer cakes. Goes to Pick n Pay. Wow. We never thought Woolies would be dethroned. The days here, South Africa. Speak to me.